one and all. I, Abhirup Krishna from First Target, heartily welcome you to the first virtual annual day celebrations of our school, Sanskritita School, Sanskritic Kids. Let us start our program with Jyoti Prajwalana. We are truly blessed with your presence. Now, I would like to introduce my co-anchors, Girit Nimmala and Gali Hanish. You want to see a beautiful dance performance? Okay, I would like to call Shambhavi with a big round of applause.
Touch is the only element linked to all five senses of taste, sound, touch, smell, and sight. Thus exerts maximum influence on us.
Good morning to one and all. Welcome to our director sir who saved our time giving us unique learning experience through Google Classroom. Welcome sir.
Hello, my dear students, parents, teachers, and all the stakeholders of Sanskriti. First of all, I would like to start off by thanking Dr. H.R.V. Rajkumar for accepting our invitation to be the chief guest for our annual day celebrations. During this coronavirus pandemic, none other than a frontline warrior would have been ideal for being a chief guest, and I have known Dr. Rajkumar since many years. During this pandemic, the kind of stress he went through, the help he has given to the patients might be mentally and actually catering to them in making sure that all of them get cured is an achievement in itself. He has cured hundreds of patients, and there were many patients I have referred myself. He's an exceptional doctor, and in addition to that, he being head of microbiology department in Kamineni, and has a successful career in Kamineni. I think more than a decade of service in Kamineni, it itself speaks volumes about the great person. So thank you, sir, for being part of our celebrations. So this year has been quite different for all of us. I would really like to appreciate and thank our board, our management board, our trust board members for trusting in the school and for making sure that they have supported my teachers all the year. It's been really difficult mentally and financially also, there were a lot of challenges which the school faced, but there was always support from our trust board members which kept us going. I would really take this opportunity in appreciating the efforts of teachers, the way they have radically transformed themselves in adapting to the technology, and they've been continuing to deliver education to the children. It's really a feat. I would also like to appreciate the parents who've been with us all year long. They've always been with us. Yes, there are a few parents who really didn't want to be part of the online classes, which we do respect because, yes, I mean, they were always concerned about screen time and everything. But right now, there is no other alternative to education than being virtual. So this year has been very difficult for all of us, and let's hope that because we are hearing good news about the vaccine, Covaxin, and Bharat Biotech is coming up with a great vaccine. Let's hope that by the end of June or by July, this gets eradicated or at least gets in some control. See, as a management of a school, we had to deal with different things in this COVID. Some of them are like how to cope up with the loss of instructional time delivered in a school setting. I mean, how to cope up with the loss of time because we have a limitation of only having 3 hours to impart education virtually because more than that, it's a strain on your eyes. Then we also took measures to continue students' learning during school closure. Like initially, we used to send worksheets and then we tied up with Google Classrooms and then we started delivering classes online. One of our biggest challenges was teachers' preparedness to support digital learning. Kudos to the entire Sanskriti team, the coordinators, the principal, the way they have taught, the way they have educated themselves in adapting to the technology and making sure that without much loss of time, we were able to actually deliver full lessons and not even lessons, assignments, assessments, corrections sometimes is a really good achievement. And now, when we look at the future struggles we have, are like when and how to reopen schools. So a lot of these decisions are dependent upon the government's policy. We are hopeful and we are optimistic that this May or June, there is a chance that physical classes might start. We're all ready for it. And if they do start, what are the measures which we need to take? As management, we are ready to take all the measures and make sure that the safety of your child is ensured. So these are a few simple things which I wanted to embark upon, and let's hope very soon that we would be in a better position, and we very soon that we might start physical classes. We are all geared up. A lot of changes are happening inside the campus also. With that note, I take leave and all the best to my children and parents. All the best for the coming months. Take care. Bye.
Welcome the person who consumed herself to change our physical classroom into virtual. Principal of our school, Mrs. Swati, is requested to present the annual report of the school. Welcome, ma'am.
Good morning, parents, teachers, and my dear students. I, Swati, Principal Sanskriti, the school, warmly welcome you to our first virtual annual day, and of course, 12th annual day celebrations of Sanskriti, the school. I consider it as my privilege to be associated with Sanskriti, the school, as a founding principal and being witness of the radical changes in the field of education. 2020 has taught us that nothing in life is to be feared. It is one to be understood. Of course, with new glossary, quarantine, social distancing, containment area, forehead thermometer, oximeter, pandemic, and of course WFH, work from home. Other than mastering the art of sharing opinion in the virtual platform, we all have achieved the ability and patience of looking at things in a very positive light. And I really appreciate how 2020 has pushed all of us into pragmatic way of observing and responding to the circumstances. It's not the strongest or the most intelligent who survived in 2020. So one who adapted the change and embraced the change and technology. Today all the success we have achieved in this academic year in this pandemic is all due to technology and adaptation. I take this opportunity to thank my parents, my teachers, my non-teaching staff, my technical team and my beloved students who stood strong in the adversity and turned all the obstacles into opportunities. And the teaching learning continued in the new normal beginning with the virtual classes. COVID-19 has separated people from their workplaces, daily routines, and in many cases added stress, drop in their morale, financial crunch. But I would like to make a point over here in 2020 that it has brought a hope and positivity and a new outlook to appreciate the small things in life. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my board members, my director Sir Vikrant Garu, who took a very strong stand in these adverse times for an effective and a fruitful online teaching. Thank you, sir, for being there always with us. And sometimes in these situations, the hardest thing to do is to count our blessings, especially when things are going very poorly. So let's be more humble, more fortunate, more grateful, and feel blessed that we are in 2021 now. Today the annual day celebrations is all about this. Every class has come up with a theme to get their gratitude, to make it more fruitful, and especially to applaud the saviors, our doctors, police personnel, frontline workers, and of course our teachers. Thank you, teachers. This would not have been possible without you. In my principal report, I am very happy to present the creativity that sparkled in the virtual classes and how blessed I am that I have such a wonderful and a very talented kids. you liked the PowerPoint presentation of my annual report. The list is endless, parents. There are many events, many activities which I could not include due to short period of time. I express my heartfelt gratitude to all my students, my parents, my patrons, well-wishers, whose constant support and guidance helped us to maintain the high standard of education even in the virtual classes. Thank you so much. Let's enjoy the annual day. Now I request Shreya Naidu of grade 10, our head girl, to introduce our guest of the day for our virtual annual day. Let's go to Shreya Naidu.
When there are tears, he is a shoulder. When there is pain, he is a medicine. When there is tragedy, he is a hope. Yes, he is none other than a doctor. I, Shreya Naidu, on behalf of Sanskriti Group of Schools, take the privilege to welcome and introduce our chief guest, Dr. H.R.V. Rajkumar Sir, currently working as a professor and head of Department of Microbiology of Kamineni Academy of Medical Sciences and Research Center, LB Nagar, Hyderabad. Dr. H.R.V. Rajkumar Sir did his MBBS and MD in Microbiology from Vijayanagara Institute of Medical Sciences, Bellary, Karnataka. His areas of interest include antimicrobial resistance, viral hepatitis, and arboviral infections. He is heading 2 virology labs of Kamineni Group actively involved in the diagnosis of COVID-19. He has presented several papers in various conferences, and a few of his papers were awarded gold medal for one of the best papers. He has several publications in both national and international journals to his credit. He has delivered several public health talks in various institutions and also including TV and radio. Now, I request our beloved chief guest Dr. H.R.V. Rajkumar Sir to say a few words.
Respected Director of the Samskruti School, Sri Vikrant Garu, respected Principal Swati Garu, beloved teachers, dear students of Samskruti School and their proud parents. At the outset, I wish you all a very happy and healthy New Year 2021 and a happy Sankranti. I thank the management of the Samskruti School for having invited me as a chief guest to address you on the occasion of their annual day celebration. I am happy to know that Samskruti School provides world-class facilities to all its students, focuses on adopting new and innovative ways of teaching with simple learning methods. Further, their readiness to adopt and improvising the teaching and learning resources using best technology service providers and reaching to all the needs in education sector is one factor that makes them unique. My wholehearted appreciation to the entire team of the Samskruti School for the same. We all know that we had a tough year 2020 with a dreadful COVID pandemic. Hopefully, we see the end of the pandemic this year. Though healthcare personnel, law and order personnel, sanitary personnel are considered as frontline workers in handling this epidemic, there are few unsung heroes who played a major part during this epidemic. That is you teachers. I would like to stress here that as teachers, you played a commendable role in this pandemic by keeping educational processes to go forward uninterrupted. One of the biggest challenges of the distance learning during the COVID-19 crisis was to keep the learners engaged. The lack of person-to-person contacts, the difficulties of communication on digital devices, the need to self-organize had become additional challenges for the learners to absorb new information and keep track of the learning process. The teacher's role became crucial as for making sure that the learners stay engaged and do not lose their motivation. In this crisis, I am extremely happy to learn that Samskruti school teachers have shown, as they have done so often, great leadership and innovation in ensuring that learning never stops and that no learner is left behind. I congratulate all of you for your dedication and commitment towards quality education on any platform. And not to forget students and their parents for their wonderful cooperation in making online teaching a smooth process. I have also learned that several students of Samskruti School have participated in several events both at national and state level and has gained good appreciation for their performance in various activities. In this regard, I take this opportunity to also congratulate all the students and their parents for their great achievements. And not to miss, I also congratulate the principal, the faculty, without whose efforts this wouldn't have been possible. Finally, once again I convey my best wishes to the director Sri Vikrant Garu, who is doing a great job, Principal Mrs. Swati Garu, all the faculty, students and their parents for the success of these annual day celebrations. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Dance is the most beautiful form of expression of human feelings. Today we are going to see some great dances by Arno, Karan, Asta and Shreya.
I get wings to fly. Oh, I'm alive. When you call on me, when I hear you breathe, I get wings to fly. I feel that I'm alive.
Shekhar Karthik, Yashvita, Tehar Gupta, Sanant Kumar, Brahmani and Lasita to receive shlokas and devotional songs.
शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातं तपोनिधिं व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः अविकाराय शुद्धाय नित्याय परमात्मने सदैकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे सर्वजिष्णवे यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जन्म संसारबन्धनात् विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे ॐ नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे. My dear friends and teachers, last but not least performance by Arithi Sahasra Abhiv Vishwank and his mother.
Señoras y señores, damas y perros, llamando a todos los perreadores, la gente lo pidió que hula hoop, hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop, hula cintura dura dura hula hoop, hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop, hula cintura y no fuimos hula hoop, hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop, hula cintura dura dura hula hoop, hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop. Cintura dura, dura, como me castiga el movimiento, la mercy. No tengas piedad, ven a agarrarme por la jersey. Mami, sé la tesis, saliste la más sexy. Eres la candidata para que sientas al precio. Muy exótica con la cadera biónica. Si el baile es un deporte, te doy oro como Mónica. Muévelo de aquí para allá, muévelo de allá para acá. Me sube la sistólica y me baja la diastólica. Y rómpele, rómpele, rompe que rompe que rómpele, rómpele. Es que bailando te veo bien chula. Este motor necesita ese cula. Cula, 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 hula, hula, hula. Esa bomba tula, tula, tula tiene fuego. Hula hoop, hula, hula hoop, hula, hula hoop, hula cintura dura, dura, hula hoop, hula, hula hoop, hula, hula hoop, hula cintura y nos fuimos. Botella, botella, la juca, juca, la que ya está seca, ya en una bola de humo rompemos la discoteca. Búscame, busca muñeca que yo no corro con feca. Saco la grasa para la calle para que se queme la manteca y rómpele, rómpele, rompe que rompe que rómpele, 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 rompe que rompe que rómpele. Le da la batidora, terremoto, chequi, chequi, tira un paso, hula, hula y empezamos con la vieja escuela.
we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe. Oh, deep heart. I do believe we shall overcome someday. होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास. ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास. हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. విజయం సాధిస్తాం, విజయం సాధిస్తాం, విజయం సాధిస్తాం ఒకనాడు. అది మా ఆత్మవిశ్వాసం, ఆత్మవిశ్వాసం. అది మా ఆత్మవిశ్వాసం, ఆత్మవిశ్వాసం. మేము విజయం సాధిస్తాం ఒకనాడు.
Thank you for serving us. Thank you for serving us. Thank you for serving us during Corona. You were there all the time by risking your lives. You were there all the time by risking your lives. Thank you once again, COVID warrior.
Thank you, and that was a lovely and amazing performance by all the members. Now I call upon Guru Kirat for a lohri. So let's call upon them. Thank you for the speech. Now let's welcome to our dance number of Ankita Marathi Festival. बच्चे आदित्य सबका सुनाएंगे। గురుభ్యో నమః। నా పేరు ఆదిత్య। నేను 2వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను సంస్కృతి స్కూల్। ఈ రోజు నేను మీ ముందర పూజారిగా వచ్చాను। నేను మీకు పండుగల గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను। ఇంటి నిండా పెద్దలందరూ కలిసి పిల్లలందరూ గోల చేస్తూ ఆనందాన్ని పంచుకోవడానికి, అనుబంధాలను బలపరుచుకోవడానికి మన పెద్దలు ఎంతో తెలివిగా మొదలుపెట్టిన ఈ సాంప్రదాయాలే పండుగలు। దీపావళి, దసరా, వినాయక చవితి, సంక్రాంతి, బోనాలు, క్రిస్మస్, రంజాన్ అలా ఎన్నో పండుగలు జరుపుకుంటాం. ఆ పండుగల్లో దసరా. నేను మీకు ఒక చిన్న కథ చెప్తాను. పూర్వకాలంలో మహిషాసురుడు అనే రాక్షసుడు ఉండేవాడు. అతనికి ఒక కోరిక, ముల్లోకాలను జయించాలనే కోరిక. అందుకే తనకు తపస్సు చేశాడు, ఏ పురుషుని చేతన చావు ఉండకూడదు అని. ముల్లోకాలలో నివసించే ప్రజలను తను హింసించాడు. దేవతలు తనను అంతం చేయడానికి వెళ్ళినా అంతం చేయలేకపోయారు. అందుకే దుర్గాదేవి సృష్టించారు. దేవతల దగ్గర ఉన్న శక్తులన్నీ దుర్గాదేవికి ఇచ్చేశారు. దుర్గాదేవి మహిషాసురుని అంతం చేయడానికి వెళ్ళింది. అలా 9 రోజులుగా యుద్ధం సాగింది. ఆఖరికి మహిషాసురుడు అంతమైపోయాడు. ఆ విజయం వలన మనం దసరాని జరుపుకుంటాము. ఇంతతో కథ సమాప్తం. శుభం.
I'm making the chocolate balls. The ingredients are 7 crushed Marie biscuits, 3 spoons of chocolate powder, 3 spoons of milk maid, and some sprinkles, ma'am. First, I'm going to add the 7 crushed Marie biscuits. Next, I'm going to add the chocolate powder of 3 spoons. Next, ma'am, I'm going to mix it. Ma'am, we need to mix it well. Ma'am, it should become like this, until like this. Next, you need to add 3 spoons of the milk maid, ma'am. And next, ma'am, we need to mix it, ma'am. Next, we need to make small balls, ma'am. From the dough, ma'am, we need to make small balls from the dough, like this, ma'am. Ma'am, next we need to take the sprinkles and sprinkle it like this on the balls, ma'am. And ma'am, there we go. We have finished our chocolate balls, ma'am. Want to try one, ma'am? Thank you, everyone.
Good morning, friends and respected teachers. My name is Ashmita from 5th Rudyard Kipling. Today I will show you some art and craft things which I made. This is a pencil and pen stand. I use different color papers for making it. I use color papers orange, white, purple and yellow, and I use one cloth ribbon for decorating it. This is pencils and eraser holder. I used for making it red color paper and yellow color paper. In this we can keep erasers, and this we can keep pencils. This is a compass box. I took for making this papers and some decoration things. I used yellow color and pink color paper for making it, and one ribbon for decorating it. I will show you from inside. In this we can keep erasers, pens, sharpener and one little book. This is one purse. I used for making it two papers, one yellow and one pink. In this we can keep small things. This is purse. I used for making it one paper of purple, and I used for decorating stickers and decoration tape. In this we can keep small books, papers. This is one box, jewelry box. We can keep in this jewelry, like these earrings and small things. Thank you. Bye.
Let's pray to Sukartha Dukartha Ganesha. And for this, my friends, Mani Vaishnav.
amazing. Thank you, friends. The lockdown has opened our eyes to the unsung contribution of the women of the house in running the show at home. The multitasking, talented, loving mothers became doctors, chefs, teachers for their kids.
మగువా మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువా మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా అటు ఇటు అన్నింటా నువ్వే జగమంతా పరుగులు తీస్తావు ఇంట బయట అనుపని రవ్వంతా అననే అనవంట వెలుగులు పూస్తావు వెళ్ళేదారంతా మగువా మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువా మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దు
मेरा नाम जानवी है। आज मैं आपको सुनो द्रौपदी की कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। सुनो द्रौपदी शस्त्र उठा लो, अब गोविंद ना आएंगे। अरे छोड़ो मेहंदी खड़क संभालो, खुद ही अपना चीर बछा लो। दूध बिछा के बैठे शगुनी, मस्तक सब बिक जाएंगे। सुनो द्रौपदी शस्त्र उठा लो, अब गोविंद ना आएंगे। कब तक आस लगाओगी तुम भी के हुए अखबारों से? कैसी रक्षा मांग रही हो दुशासन दरबारों से? स्वयं जो लज्जाहीन पड़े हैं वो क्या लाज बचाएंगे? सुनो द्रौपदी शस्त्र उठा लो, अब गोविंद न आएंगे। कल तक केवल अंधा राजा, आज गूंगा बहरा भी है। वो सीधिए है जनता के कानों पे पहरा भी है। तुम ही कहो ये अश्रु तुम्हारे किसको क्या समझाएंगे? सुनो द्रौपदी शस्त्र उठा लो, अब गोविंद न आएंगे। धन्यवाद।
मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ। यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता मैं माँ। तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ। भीड़ में यूं न छोड़ो मुझे, घर लौट के भी आना पाऊँ माँ। भेजना इतना दूर मुझको तो, याद भी तुझको आना पाऊँ माँ। क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ, क्या इतना बुरा मेरी माँ।
Let's enjoy these dancers and welcome our friends. Let's welcome Pranati.
Magic is believing in yourself. You can do that. You can make anything it happens. So my friend Rubins is going to perform a magical show. Just enjoy. Please. up your energy, Flux, because today we are going to catch sight of some great dancers, some great flair. So let's get up for a striking beginning of this show.
मेरे इशारे पे तो दिन दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया नासिक के ढोल पे नदर नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया मेरे इशारे पे तो दिन दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया नासिक के ढोल पे नदर नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया सारी दुनिया में एक ही फेमस है मुंबई हो गया और दिखा दूं तुझे मेरा वाला डांस ये है मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू ये है मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू वाला डांस एक गाना
Memorizing. Thank you, Yagnapriya. Now, Dedipya is taking us to Madurai. Let's welcome her for the dance performance.
మధుర మధురతర మీనాక్షి కంచి పట్టున కామాక్షి మహిని మహిమగల మీనాక్షి కాశీలో విశాలాక్షి మధుర మధురతర మీనాక్షి కంచి పట్టున కామాక్షి మహిని మహిమగల మీనాక్షి కాశీలో విశాలాక్షి జాజి మల్లెల గుమ గుమల జావళి మల్లెల గుమ గుమల జావళి లేత సిగ్గుల సరిగమల జాబిలి అమ్మ మీనాక్షి ఇది కామాక్షి మధుర మధురతర మీనాక్షి కంచి పట్టున కామాక్షి మహిని మహిమ గల మీనాక్షి కాశీలో విశాలాక్షి మనసే మధురై కొలువైన తల్లి మా మీనాక్షి ఎదరో ఎవరై పొంగేటి ప్రేమకి సాక్షి చిలక చిలక కరమున చిలక కరగాన గిరి చిలక శివగిరి చిలక మమతను చిలక దిగిరావా
कहाँ से आ रही है रे?
अरे एग्जाम से आ रही हूँ।
कैसा था पेपर?
पतला सा था और वाइट कलर का था।
बेटा नासिर तुम आज इतना लेट क्यों आए?
सर मैं सपने में दुबई घूमने गया था।
और तुम उसे ना इतना लेट क्यों आए यार?
सर मैं इसको सपने में एयरपोर्ट छोड़ने गई थी।
मुझे इतना पसंद करती है कि बार बार यही कहती है खुदा तुम जैसी औलाद किसी को ना दे।
ऐसे ना?
हाँ बोल।
कितनी सुंदर हो यार तुम।
अरे यार झूठ बोलना बंद करो।
ओहो समझदार भी हो।
क्या कर रहे हैं आप?
वाह व्हाट ए क्वेश्चन। ये मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? पिछले 1.25 मिनट से तुम देख रहे हो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ। मैं यहाँ पे इलेक्शन चल रहे वोटर आईडी बना रहा हूँ मैं। देख लेना।
मम्मी आप राजा की लड़की हो?
नहीं बेटा।
मम्मी आप प्रधानमंत्री की लड़की हो?
नहीं।
मम्मी आप जज की बेटी हो?
नहीं, ऐसा क्यों पूछ रहे हो आप?
मम्मी फिर आप हुक्म क्यों चलाती रहते हो? इनमें से तो लाइफ है, उसमें भी सुबह ना मम्मा जल्दी उठा देती।
रिजल्ट का क्या हुआ? पापा वो प्रिंसिपल का बेटा फेल हो गया। तेरे रिजल्ट का क्या हुआ? वो डॉक्टर साहब का बेटा भी फेल हो गया। अबे गधे तेरे रिजल्ट का क्या हुआ? तो आप कौन सा प्रधानमंत्री हो जो आपका लौंडा पास हो जाता?
Dancing,
Thank you.
Friend Siddharth is going to mesmerize us by spelling out few longest words from the Oxford Dictionary.
Until I heard these words, the spellings of the words like rendezvous and Alzheimer's sounded weird to me. Hi guys, my name is Kusma Siddharth. I am from class 7 Bankim Chandra, Sanskriti the school. Now I am going to spell 9 of the world's longest words from the Oxford Dictionary. Number 1. Pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. It is spelled PNEUMONOULTRAMICROSCOPICSILICOVOLCANOconiosis. Number 2. Hippopotamus squipedaliophobia. It is spelled HIPPOPOTOMONSTROSEQUIPEDALIOPHOBIA. Number 3. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It is spelled SUPERCALIFRAGILISTICexpialidocious. Number 4. Pseudo-hypoparathyroidism. It is spelled PSEUDOPSEUDOHYPOPARATHYROIDISM. Number 5. Floxinocini hilibilification. It is spelled FLOCCINAUCINIHILIPILIFICATION. My friend Manideep is telling me that we welcome the new year with swag. Do you think he really means it? Watch his performance and tell me. So let's welcome Manideep with his swag performance.
Love is the message, eh? You ready? Let's go. Yeah, we can make it better, yeah. When we come together, yeah. All you got is me, and yeah, all I got is you. इश्क से आगे कुछ नहीं इश्क से बेहतर कुछ नहीं इश्क से ऊपर कुछ नहीं इश्क बिना कुछ नहीं चाहे जो आए लेके दिल में इश्क मोहब्बत सबको गले लगाना अपने कल्चर की है आदत स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत
Mother, a beautiful emotion. Mother is the beauty and sunshine of our life. She is the greatest teacher we would ever have. She is a teacher of love, compassion, creation, forgiveness, fearlessness and many more. Not only she carried us for 9 months, but she always keeps supporting and loving us, regardless of what we put her through to bring us up. A dance performance by K. Akshara with her mother.
युगों से एक पहेली है जो कभी नंगे पांव से आंगन में खेली है जो कभी इंद्रधनुष बन के खनकती है कलाई में वही शक्ति है नारी जो कविता कली कहानी बन जाती जिसकी एक करवट वक्त को बदल जाती जो प्यार से रुतबा जो जिद पे आ जाए तो समय को बदल देती वही शक्ति है नारी नन्हे हाथों में
Abdul will rock us with his rocking performance on the song Mukkala Mukkabula Lela Oh Lela.
We are the sounds of the streets. लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई मुझे दूंगा उसे जहां से मिटा sounds of the streets. लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई मुझे दूंगा उसे जहां से मिटा
Audience, before we start anything, why don't we start by giving our salutations to God and start this auspicious moment. So Vaishnavi is going to recite some slokas and explain their meanings. So let's hear them.
నమస్కారం, నా పేరు వైష్ణవి. ఈరోజు నేను భగవద్గీతలో కొన్ని శ్లోకాలతో పాటు వాటి అర్థాలు కూడా చెప్పబోతున్నాను. భగవద్గీతలో 740 శ్లోకాలు మరియు 18 అధ్యాయాలు ఉంటాయి. భగవంతుడనే కృష్ణుడు మహాభారత యుద్ధం అప్పుడు అర్జునునికి ఉపదేశించింది భగవద్గీత. దాంట్లో నుంచి నేను చెప్పబోయే మొదటి శ్లోకం. కర్మణ్యేవాధికారస్య మా ఫలేషు కదాచన మా కర్మ ఫల హేతుర్భూ మా తే సంగోత్స్వకర్మణి. అర్థం, ఓ అర్జున, నిన్ను నువ్వు నమ్ముకొని కష్టపడి కర్మ చేయడమే నీ చేతిలో ఉంది. దాని ఫలం అనేది ఎప్పుడూ ఆశించకూడదు. రెండవ శ్లోకం. నమే పార్థాస్తి కర్తవ్యం త్రిషు లోకేషు కించన నానావాప్తమవాప్తవ్యం వర్త ఏవ చ కర్మణి. అర్థం, ఓ అర్జున, ఈ 3 లోకాలలో నన్ను మించిన వస్తువు కానీ మరి గొప్పవాడు కానీ ఎవ్వరూ లేరు. అయినా నేను కర్మ చేస్తాను, అటువంటిది మీరు కూడా చేయాలి అని స్వామి చెప్తున్నాడు. మూడవ శ్లోకం. అభ్యాసయోగయుక్తేన చేతసా నాన్యగామినా పరమం పురుషం దివ్యం యాతి పార్థను చిత్తయా. అర్థం, ఓ అర్జున, నిన్ను నువ్వు నమ్ముకొని సాధన చేస్తే ఏదైనా సాధించవచ్చు అని స్వామి చెప్తున్నాడు. ధన్యవాదములు.
Dance is one of the most divine forms of art. To prove this, our friend Joshika is ready. So let's welcome Joshika.
Oh yeah. It depicts the cultural aspects of a civilization. The Indian classical dance aims to experience the liberation and growth of rightness as man by manifesting the glory of the god. Now let's welcome Pranati and her sister Ashrita for a classical dance performance. They got attitudes, they got moves, and they have rocked the stage before too. Any guesses? I know many of you might have already guessed. Yes, let me welcome Ayan and Samir for a rocking performance.
पिघला दे जंजीरें बना उनकी शमशीरें कर हर मैदान फतेह ओ बंदिया कर हर मैदान फतेह घायल परिंदा है तू दिखला दे जिंदा है तू बाकी है तुझ में हौसला तेरे जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाही मांगे कर डाल तू जो फैसला
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह
कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर
है जीत का पता, जीत का पता।
इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के, आसमां की हद से गुजर के, हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा। कहने को चल रहा है तू, लोहे का चल रहा है तू, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदेया, हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदेया, हर मैदान फतेह। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदेया, हर मैदान फतेह।
Proceeding ahead, who doesn't love rain? And that too, dancing in rain. Everyone loves it, right? So now we have Shrihita of class 10 with a dance performance. Let's welcome her.
अरे सर आ गए 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 सर आ गए। गुड आफ्टरनून ठीक है
सर गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
कौन है कौन बोल रहा है?
सर वो इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर है ना सर, इसलिए उसका इंटरनेट स्लो है सर।
ठीक है गुड आफ्टरनून गुड आफ्टरनून। तो कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग?
सर वो इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर है ना सर, इसलिए उसका इंटरनेट स्लो है सर।
ठीक है गुड आफ्टरनून गुड आफ्टरनून। तो कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग?
सर वो इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर है ना सर, इसलिए उसका इंटरनेट स्लो है सर।
लगता है सर ने कैरी का रोस्ट देखा है।
चुप, कैरी का रोस्ट बोलता है?
लगता है सर ने कैरी को रोस्ट किया है।
तो कल के लेक्चर में 6 बच्चे नहीं है, कितने में से?
सर 6।
बराबर। तो शुरू करने से पहले बता दो, अब तो मम्मी का सब्जी, पापा का गुटखा और दादी की दवाई ये सब चलने वाला नहीं है, क्योंकि सब लोग अपना अपना घर में है और सब लॉकडाउन भी चालू है। तो तुम बताओ।
सर भाई के लिए मैगी।
वो भी नहीं चलेगा भाई, वो भी नहीं चलेगा।
सर 6।
म्यूट हो जाओ, तुम म्यूट हो। तुम बताओ।
सर क्या हुआ सर की
श्रेया तुम बोलो।
सर वो क्या हुआ सर कि दरअसल मेरा फोन पानी में गिर गया था सर, और सर मैंने उसे चावल में डाला। मॉइस्चर अब्जॉर्प्शन सर, आप ही ने तो सिखाया।
ठीक है, मुझे मत बताओ मैंने तुम्हारे को क्या बताया। मॉइस्चर अब्जॉर्ब हुआ?
नहीं सर, कहाँ होता, मम्मी ने तो वो चावल पानी में डाल दिया।
ओके। तो तुम बताओ दूसरा।
कौन?
कीर्तना, व्हाट अबाउट यू?
सर वो एक्चुअली मेरा चार्जर नहीं मिल रहा था।
एक्चुअली छोड़ो, कैमरा ऑन करो।
ऑन ही है सर, आपको
कैमरा ऑन है सर।
ऑन ही है सर।
ओके ओके चल ठीक है, बोलो बोलो कीर्तना बोलो।
हाँ सर कैमरा ऑन है।
ठीक है ठीक
सर वो
है।
एक्चुअली मेरा चार्जर नहीं मिल रहा था सर।
तुम्हारे घर में मम्मी पापा दादा दादी भाई बहन चार्जर नहीं देते?
सर वो क्या है ना, वो दरअसल वो एक्चुअली मेरे पास आईफोन है।
ठीक है ठीक है,
एक नंबर।
ठीक है। आनंद जी बोलिए।
सर मैं?
हाँ जी तुम।
सर वो एक्चुअली हाँ सर, वो मेरा बाइक का ना एक्सीडेंट हुआ था सर, एक कार के साथ, तो मैं हॉस्पिटल में था। सर वो मैं हेल्थ किट लेने गया था सर, रोजॉक में।
वो किधर पड़ता?
सर पबजी में।
चुप कर, पबजी का बात करता है क्लास में। तुम चुप रहो। जेफ जी।
सर मैं सर।
हाँ जी।
सर मुझे ना कल व्हाट्सएप में मैसेज आया था कि सर कि 12 to 1 तक फ्री नेटफ्लिक्स के अकाउंट बिकने वाले हैं सर, फ्री। सर वो ना भूलना बोल गया कि वो लंदन में है सर, तो मेरा भाई उधर ही रहता है ना, तो लंदन में बिक रहे सर फ्री में।
सर एक्चुअली वो सुन के अच्छा लगा कि आप भी थोड़ा नेटफ्लिक्स में शोज मूवीज।
सर सेम पिंच।
चुप। अबे जी
सेम पिंच सर।
ठीक है, सेम पिंच। अब चुप हो जाओ।
सर एक्चुअली मैं कल इंडिया और श्रीलंका का क्रिकेट मैच देख रहा था सर।
वो तो बताया नहीं टीवी में उसके बारे में, कौन सा मैच?
सर था ना सर अपना श्री राम वर्सेस रावण सर, अपन जीते सर उसमें।
बोलो सिया रामचंद्र की जय।
क्या हुआ सर?
सर क्या हुआ सर, ऐसे क्यों हंस रहे लोग?
क्यों हंस रहे?
पकड़ा, तुम सबको पकड़ा। अरे कल संडे था, कल संडे था, ऑनलाइन आके अचार बनाते तुम लोग। क्या बोलते हो यार, थोड़ा तो सोचो, कितना झूठ बोल रहे हो, किसके सामने बोल रहे हो, क्या बोल रहे हो, थोड़ी तो शर्म करो। अब रुको, ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हुई है, ये वीडियो जाएगी प्रिंसिपल। तुम
नहीं सर।
सर क्या हुआ, ये सब क्यों हंस रहे हैं?
ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे, तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो। मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे, कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ वतना में मेरे वतना में तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था।
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।